Hi guys, how are you? Here is an interesting question which came in June 2019 CSIR-NET exam. So if this compound is treated with, if this compound is heated, then what will be the major product? So we can assume that there may be an electrocyclic ring closing reaction is a possibility. So here there is a 4 pi electronic system as well as 4 pi plus 2 electronic system. That is, if we consider this 4 double bond, then it will be an 8 pi electronic system, and if we consider this 3 double bond, then it is a 6 pi electronic system. So we will consider both this product and see which will be the possibility to be formed. So for 6 pi electronic system, we first construct the molecular orbital of 6 pi electronic system consisting of 6p orbital. So we'll construct the molecular orbital there will be 6 molecular orbital we'll slowly construct this molecular orbital, then we will see the symmetry of this orbital, and then we will so guys, this is psi 1, psi 2, psi 3, psi 4, psi 5, psi 6. Now it has no nodal plane. No nodal plane is there, so it will be the wave function sign will be like this. It will have one nodal plane, so it will be like it will be like this. It will have two nodal plane, so plus plus minus minus plus plus minus minus plus plus minus minus. It will have three nodal plane, so plus minus minus plus plus minus, then minus plus plus minus minus plus. It will have four nodal plane, so plus minus plus plus minus plus, then minus plus minus minus plus minus, and it will have 5 nodal plane. 5 nodal plane means plus minus plus minus plus minus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So this is the molecular orbital of 6 pi electronic system. This is the energy order. So psi 6 is the highest energy, and if we see the electronic distribution between this 6 molecular orbital, then 6 electron will go in 3 lower energy molecular orbital. So this is psi 3, psi 2, psi 1, psi 4, psi 5, psi 6. So psi 3, this is HOMO, that is highest occupied molecular orbital, and psi 4, this is LUMO. Now our reaction condition is only heat, so for heating condition HOMO will be the frontier orbital which will drive the reaction. So if we consider this molecule, let's say this is 6 pi electronic system. Now let's say this is hydrogen, this is R, this is R, this is hydrogen. Now if it is heated, we will consider the symmetry in this molecular orbital. This has symmetry with respect to mirror. So this is mirror symmetry. This is mirror symmetry. This has a symmetry with respect to center. Center of symmetry is there. So this is C2 symmetry. Again it is mirror symmetry. C2 symmetry, mirror symmetry, C2 symmetry. Now to construct a bond in this from this I3 orbital, here it is a plus, it is a plus, mirror symmetry. So to construct a bond, we have to rotate this in clockwise and this in anti-clockwise direction. So disrotation will happen. This is called disrotation. So to construct a bond, we have to, I will draw this in another form. By comparing this psi3, here is a plus, here plus, minus, minus. So plus, plus, minus, minus. So to construct, here hydrogen R, here hydrogen R. To construct bond, we have to overlap the similar sign. So we have to rotate this in clockwise and it is in anti-clockwise. So disrotation. So if we rotate this in clockwise, the hydrogen will go above, and if we rotate this anti-clockwise, this hydrogen will go above. So a 6-member ring will be formed where the hydrogens are above and the R's are below the plane. So we will get the product this. Now in our reaction, the substrate is this. So if we consider an electrocyclic ring closing reaction with this 6 pi electronic system, then we will get a 6-member ring from here and 1 2 3 4 5 one 5-member ring from here, and here the hydrogen will have cis configuration. So what we will get, I will draw here. Sorry, I done a mistake. So I'll draw here the compound. So here is a pi bond, pi bond, pi bond, pi bond. Here is the hydrogen, here is the hydrogen. So we consider this electrocyclic ring closing reaction. So what will be the product? A 6-member ring and a 5-member ring will be formed. As we discussed the stoichiochemistry, the hydrogen here both in the outside cavity of this ring and the R group are inside. Here also the same condition, the hydrogens are the outside and this is the R group, these are inside. So here the hydrogen will go above the plane and 2 pi bond will be here. So this will be the product for 6 pi electronic ring closing system, ring closing reaction. But if we consider the another condition, that is the 8 pi electronic, if we consider this 8 pi electron, then what will happen? Will here the psi4 will be the HOMO. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's say this is psi4. Psi4 will be the HOMO, and what will be its configuration? Its symmetry. So psi4, it will have three lobe. It will have three lobe. This is psi4. It will have three lobe, and what will be the symmetry? The psi1, it will be symmetry with respect to mirror. Psi2 will be C2 symmetry. Psi3 will be again mirror symmetry. Psi4 will be again C2 symmetry. So psi4 will have C2 symmetry. Now for C2 symmetry, it will, if C2 means center of symmetry, if it is plus, it is minus, then it must be plus and it must be minus to be C2 symmetry. So now for ring closing reaction, here the clockwise direction, here also the clockwise direction. So for ring closing reaction, we need conrotation. If both this carbon rotate in clockwise direction, then this rotation is called conrotation. For conrotation, what will happen? If we see that here is one hydrogen is there, so 2p orbital will be like this. Now for conrotation, it is plus minus minus plus. The for conrotation, this will be rotate, so hydrogen will be above, and this will be rotate in clockwise direction, so the hydrogen will be below. So the product will be, so for 8 pi electronic system, the product will be two hydrogen will be in trans. Here the hydrogen will be above, the hydrogen will be below, and the 4 pi this will be the product. Now between these two products, which one is more stable? This will be the more stable product. Here one pi bond will be there. I had done a mistake. This pi bond will be here. This product will be more stable because here is 6 and 5 member ring are in fused condition, and this has cis configuration, but with this 3 member ring in trans configuration, it is very difficult to be formed. So this product may be formed, but it will be a minor product. This will be our major product. So guys, if you have any doubt regarding this video, please let me know in comment box, and to get such interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.